Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush Discover Boss. So we're in the middle of Alpha Tree with a new commercial development, and we're gonna take some look at it today. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and don't forget, leave your comment, guys. So middle of Alpha Tree, Eastwood Park Road. Alright, so we're in the middle of Alpha Tree. We're on Eastwood Park Road. The transport center is right there, and the commercial development is right over here. If my memory serves me right, I think it was a car mart that was here. So this is 27 Eastwood Park Road. They're making a pretty huge, a pretty big, I think it's gonna be a plaza, a shopping complex. Yeah, so Auto Channel was here before. That was a car mart, and they have decided to repurpose the lot. So this is where it's at. So this is the first video because our drone was down. Still not in the best of condition, but much better. And you guys tell me what you think about the image quality as well. Let me know what you think about the image. I uploaded one drone video already. This is the second one. Let me know what you think about the stabilization of the image, because that's what I'm fighting with after multiple repairs. So new development, it's a drone video, so stay tuned for the drone shots. Right on Eastwood Park Road, 27 Eastwood Park Road. And again, remember to like, comment and share. So 1, 2, so we're seeing 3 floors so far. Look like they're going up 4 floors, and I think they have underground parking because they did quite a bit of excavation. So yeah, I don't see any billboard showing what it's gonna look like when they're finished. I know that's the norm nowadays, but we just watch and see. So remember to definitely share your comments if you know anything, any other information. Probably they may have a website with pictures. You can let me know as well. So we're gonna send up the drone, fly around a bit and get some aerial shots of this area. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for all you do. Really appreciate you guys.